that. We love that. A dollar more like a week or two ago. So went down $1 in a week. Hopefully we get to see lower in a week. 20 bucks is cool. I don't like filling it up actually, because apparently, I don't know, just a theory, but let's say you fill up your car with gas, your car is gonna weigh more, so you're gonna waste more force, you're gonna have to step on it more, so you technically waste more gas, but it probably won't be a big difference. But you know me, it's a Beamer, bro, you gotta be cheap. Come on now. How much y'all think that got us? Let's see. Okay, half a tank. That's pretty good. That's pretty good. Got me some Starbucks too for the trip. But yeah, let's start driving. Let me explain the video to you guys. That is where we're going, boys. I'm gonna do a point of view drive in the mountains, in the snow. There should be snow up there right now. So that's gonna be the point of view drive today. You know, you guys have been showing love with the point of view drive last video. Yo, but make sure you guys fucking subscribe, bro. A lot of you guys that watch my videos don't even subscribe. Yeah, thank you guys for 40 subscribers too, actually. We have 40 subscribers now on the channel. I'm gonna be uploading way more content, so yeah, stay tuned, boys. But yeah, look at that, we are heading straight to the fucking mountain. I'll pick up the video later once I'm closer. Name a BMW with less lights than me. I would like to see them, especially an E46. Alright, boys, we made it. I am kind of scared that there is gonna be no snow, unfortunately, but we still got a long ways to go, so I'm gonna pick up the camera. Hopefully there's snow. If not, then this is a fucking L video. L in the comments. L video in the comments. Alright, I'm gonna do a pull for you guys, just because I don't know if I'm gonna be able to do a pull once I'm up there, especially if there's snow. So I'm gonna do a quick pull. I'm even putting the fucking windows down. It is freezing over here. 50 degrees. Might not be nothing for you guys that live elsewhere, but this is hella cold for me. But I'm gonna do a pull. Hopefully I don't get fucking pulled over. W video though if I do. Let's do a 50 roll. Usually my roll. It is fucking cold. Yeah, all this is supposed to be covered in snow, bruv. Okay, I gotta take a fucking piss. I guess the point of view drive starts now, because I just finally took a piss. There's snow, bro, but it's like melted basically, bro. It's not everywhere. And I kind of want to get like a background where there's like full of snow. I do want to take pictures, that's why. So I think I'm gonna start the point of view drive right now. Yeah, so like as we get more ahead, there's more snow, but not as much. Hopefully I have enough fucking gas. Yeah, that was the L fill up too. Probably should have put more. I'm making everyone know. Here's the snow. Bro, we gotta take a picture here. A lot of rocks. I need to take a picture here. Right here. this gonna be a bad idea? Maybe. But here, actually, I want to do a U-turn. Okay. I want to take one right here. Fuck, why I get stuck? Oh yeah, no, that is not a good idea. Fuck. It would be sick to get a picture right there too. What's this? Huh. Oh. Oh, wow. Yeah, this is just taking me back to where I was. Alright, I'm gonna take a picture here. It looks like there's no cars coming, so I think I could do it. Alright, I'm gonna take a couple of pictures. So yeah, I'll throw them up on the screen right now, the pictures that I took. Just in time, there was a car behind me. But yeah, let me know what you guys think of the pictures. They're actually on my phone because my stupid camera SD card is full, so I'm gonna have to delete some pics or store them somewhere. Pops and bangs for you guys right now. So yeah, video's not done, boys. Time to drive back down. Fucking float more because I'm going downhill, so they don't go as down. So see, it's still at 4. It usually goes more down, but it's because I'm going downhill. That shit sounds crazy though. all the baddies. You're thinking if you hear that and you're not a car person, you hear that driving behind you. That is funny. Alright, but no more snow, boys. I think I'm gonna end the video out right here. Just because it's not really much snow. And yeah, I'm probably gonna recreate this video when there is snow. If you guys enjoyed this video, leave a like. If we get to 20 likes, I'll make sure I come back when there's snow. So yeah, leave 20 likes and then I'll come back when there's snow, and hopefully I could get cooler pictures too and stuff. Cause yeah, like I should be able to take pictures right here. Like all of this should be covered in snow. So yeah, 20 likes and I'll come back. But yeah, make sure you subscribe, guys, as well. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.